Okay. I was so ready. I was so ready. Face so, everything so. And then look, I'm just, well, you may not be able to see it. Bursting with sweat everywhere. Postmenopausal crap, you know? I thought I got through this already, and you know, it was great. Now, so just coming on to say, it's coming up soon, the announcements, at least one of them. But I used black cohosh and flaxseed oil tablets to help with the symptoms from the sweating and everything for menopause. So I guess I gotta go back to that. It's 2 more tablets I gotta take now. Anyway, won't be long now. Won't be long now.